Have you ever noticed how some faces age gracefully while others show uneven sagging, deeper folds, or an unbalanced appearance? It's not just wrinkles or fine lines that are causing this. It is your facial asymmetry. Aging doesn't just affect your skin, it also impacts the balance of your facial muscles. Here's the good news. You can predict how your face might age and take action today to correct these imbalances with face yoga. Stay with me to learn how. As we age, our muscles on our face don't weaken uniformly. Factors like sleeping on one side of your face or chewing prominently on one side, your posture habits, or even that sun exposure can cause imbalances in how your facial muscles develop over time. Now, over the years, this can lead to one eyebrow sitting lower than the other, or uneven smile, or sagging on one side of your jawline, all of which can make your face appear older than it really is. Facial asymmetry often goes unnoticed in the early stages, but it can become one of the most noticeable signs of aging as the time passes. And here's the thing, symmetry plays a huge role in how youthful and attractive our faces look. So here's a test for you to predict how your face might age. So here's a test for you to predict how your face might age. Look in the mirror and take a close look at two sides of your face or individual features. Are your eyebrows at the same height? Is one corner of your mouth slightly lower than the other? What about your cheeks? Does one side appear fuller than the other? Does jowl on one side sag more than the other? Are both sides of your upper lip thinning unevenly? Now imagine how these small differences could look in 10 or 20 years if left unchecked. This is why it is important to take action now. Let's dive into a few face yoga exercises that can help you restore balance and symmetry on your face. Number 1 is your eyebrow lifter. Notice if you have one eyebrow that's more active than the other, then you may see more wrinkles above that eyebrow and also loose skin under that eyebrow. Now place your finger just above the active eyebrow and gently push that eyebrow downward. Now try to lift your eyebrow against the resistance of this finger. Repeat this 10 to 15 times to strengthen the weaker side. Second one is your jawline sculptor. If you notice sagging jowls, that is that bag that's almost hanging next to your chin on your jawline, and if it is more prominent on one side of your face, say it is on the left side, then tilt your head slightly to the right side and lift and extend your chin upward like this. Now use your hand to gently resist the movement as you lift your chin up. Repeat this 10 times on your weaker side. Observe. Chances are that this side of your face would have more droopiness in your lip corners or even in your cheeks, because all these muscles are connected. So with time, an exercise like this can start to show improvement in multiple areas on the weaker side of your face. The third one is cheek lift. If you notice that one cheek is losing volume, it's losing its elasticity, sagging more and wrinkling more than the other side, then place your fingers from the corner of your mouth, covering the whole cheek, and gently lift your cheek muscles while smiling. Hold the smile for a few seconds and release. This will start to activate the weakening underlying muscles in your cheeks that have either never been used or used lesser. As you strengthen that muscle, it starts to gain volume and it starts to look fuller. Just like when you start exercising a body part, it starts to tone up. It looks firmer. You can do this exercise on both sides, focusing more on the weaker side with additional repetitions. Perform this for anywhere between 20 to 30 times till you start to feel that muscle working. After you finish exercising any particular area, it's a good idea to tape that face area. Face taping restricts the movement temporarily and it prevents any kind of excessive creasing of the skin in that area. Now, by limiting motion in these areas, you allow your skin to relax and reduce the deepening of those fine lines and wrinkles. When you limit repetitive movements, it brings more awareness of habits like frowning, squinting, or pursing your lips. By restricting these movements, you consciously reduce unnecessary facial expressions that contribute to aging. I want you to check out my face taping masterclass link. It works best when combined with face yoga and massages. These exercises that you saw target specific muscles to restore balance and prevent any kind of further asymmetry. But remember, not all exercises work for every face or every aging concern. For example, today's exercises focus on certain parts of your face to gain symmetry. But without proper guidance, certain movements may not suit your skin condition or your muscle structure or even your lifestyle. That's why customized face yoga coaching is so important. When you work with me one-on-one, I assess your unique needs, like your facial muscle status, your skin condition, and even factors like facial fat to design a routine that's perfect for you. I also supervise your techniques myself, and I correct your form and also provide a complete skincare guide tailored just for you. By correcting your facial asymmetry now, you're not just improving the balance of your face today, but you're actually preventing those imbalances from becoming more noticeable as you age. A more symmetrical face looks naturally youthful, radiant, and lifted even as the years pass. And the best part, with consistent practice, these changes are completely in your hands, in your control. Face yoga is non-invasive, it's natural, and it is incredibly effective. Just a couple of weeks ago, I posted this video where, with the help of face yoga, I controlled acne on my face. Don't wait for aging to take its toll before you act. Start your face yoga journey today to restore balance, symmetry, and confidence to your face. Here is my face yoga playlist that you can find on my YouTube channel, so catch up on all these videos. As a trusted face yoga and self-image coach, I have helped countless women over 40 and 50 take control of their aging process naturally, restoring their confidence and glow. If today's video resonated with you, you will love exploring my online courses, specifically designed to address different facial aging concerns. For those focused on improving facial symmetry, my Face Symmetry Face Yoga course is the perfect place to start. It's packed with targeted exercises, techniques, and tips to restore your facial balance and harmony to your face. You can explore all my face yoga courses, programs, and even one-on-one coaching opportunities on my website, 𝘪𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑒𝗍𝑒 Because every face and every aging concern is unique. From skincare product application techniques to facial exercises, massages, facial taping, and even beauty device usage, I have created tailored plans to meet your specific needs. For one-on-one coaching, I only work with a handful of clients at a time to provide the specialized attention that you deserve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what part of your face do you feel is aging faster than the opposite side. Is it your smile? Is it your eyes, your forehead, your cheeks, your jawline, your neck? I'd love to hear from you and help guide you towards solutions. Make sure to suggest what kind of videos you want to watch on my channel in the comment box. If you found value in today's content, then please hit that like button. It helps more people discover these tips and encourages me to create more valuable content for you. You can also connect with me on my other social media platforms for shorter, bite-sized contents. Be sure to check my description below this video for my curated courses, my playlists, and product recommendations. I only suggest skincare products and devices that I have personally used for about 3 to 6 months, and I genuinely trust these. You will find links to everything that can help you along with your face yoga and natural rejuvenation journey. If you want to support my channel and content that I create, then hit that join button to become a member. Your support helps me continue bringing you content that's not only effective, but also offers natural alternatives to expensive creams, facials, and invasive procedures. Choose the membership level that works for you and enjoy exclusive members-only content that is crafted just for you. I'll see you next week. Until then, remember to continue to blush with me.